Hey guys, it's Allison. So today is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, and it's easy, simple. It's mostly the red lip kind of thing. This is my look for Valentine's Day. It's fine if you're single, because you could just go out with your girlfriends and go hang out with all your friends, stay home. I'm probably gonna stay in my room, maybe go out to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna do, to be honest. These earrings are huge, but anyways, so it's fine if you are not taken, because that's a lot of work, to be honest. Take care of yourself first before you take care of anybody else. But oh my gosh, my eyes. But yeah, if you want to know how to do this look, then keep on watching. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get on with the video. So don't know what look I'm doing today. I think I'm just gonna do like a regular like eyeshadow look, like a brownish in the crease, and then lashes, and then a bold red lip kind of. I have like this nasty pimple here, don't worry about that. Kind of popped it this morning, but it's fine. I already put my Laneige lip sleeping mask, really good. I recommend this vanilla one. And then I have my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, which is my favorite. My face is dry because it's like cold outside, but then at the same time it's not. It's like oily. My nose is gonna be annoying when I put on foundation today. I already know it, but you know, it's fine. What we're first gonna do is put on foundation. So this is a foundation that I always use. I haven't changed it. I have like 2 or 3 foundations that I do on rotation, but this one I think matches me the best, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and this is in soft tan. And yeah, so there's that nasty pimple. So I'm just gonna put this on my beauty blender. This is a Real Techniques beauty blender. I'm just gonna oh no. So this is I am breaking out a little bit. It's fine. Don't know why. I haven't done nothing, no stress, so I don't know why it's popping up. My hair is in the way. Yes, my pimple popping through. That's what I like. I need a little bit more for my forehead. Okay, so next in this makeup routine, I'm gonna put on my concealer, and this is a Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and this is in Natural Beige, and I'm gonna use this under my eyes, and that's it basically, because yeah, that's what I usually do. Before anything slips and slides, I'm going to use my MAC powder. And this is a Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in medium golden, and it just looks like this. I usually use my Laura Mercier translucent powder, but I'm not sure where it is right now. So I'm just going to use this for under my eyes to pat everything down. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows. And my eyebrow routine has not changed in like 20 million years. So it's the same thing that I always use, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I don't know why I keep forgetting the name, but yeah, in medium brown. And I'll be right back when I'm done with my eyebrows. Hopefully my eyebrows don't look disgusting, but yeah, these are how my eyebrows look. Don't mind them if they are not it. But yeah, we're gonna just keep going. So next is going to be the eyes, and I have the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette from Morphe. I have not used this palette So I'm excited to use it, even though I'm probably just gonna use one color out of this palette right now. But yeah, it basically looks like this if you haven't seen it. So I'm gonna use the color, the OG, and it's a light brownish, like nudish color, I guess you can say. And I'm gonna put that on my crease for now and see how that looks. Oh yeah, that's enough. Hopefully there's no color on this freaking brush, because I be using this brush for everything. So I'm hoping there's no leftover color, because this is not gonna look the same on the other side then. My eye looks are not the best in the world, so I'm just pointing that out. But if you guys want to check out my other videos where I did eye looks, I'll link them down below. But yeah, I'm not like a whole beauty guru kind of thing. I wish, but I don't practice makeup a lot to be knowing what to do, you know what I mean? So really quickly, I'm just gonna define my eyebrows with this color called Trans, and just put that on my brow bone. My arch on this one is higher, don't worry about it. And I think I'm gonna put that same color Trans on my eyelid space, just to clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna move on to my face before I put on my lashes. But for face, I am gonna use this Shade and Light Contour Duo from Kat Von D. This is in the medium color, and it's in Lyric and Shadow Play. It just looks like this. I'm gonna use that brush that I was using for powder and use it for bronzer. I just dipped that in really hard, but it's fine. But I'm just gonna I don't know if that is showing on camera, but it's definitely showing over here. You know, I just realized this is for contouring and I wanted a bronzer, but it's fine. Like, it's fine, it's fine. Since I just contoured with this, I'm gonna use my bronzer, which is my Hoola Benefit bronzer, and just go over all of that real quick. Oh my god, everything is falling. To just bronze everything up. Hopefully I don't look like a mud mess. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna use a new blush that I got, which is the Patrick Taub Velvet Blush, and it's in She's Seductive. I'm hoping I can open this. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's kind of reflective, but I like, as soon as I spotted it, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm in love. So I'm gonna use this brush for my blush and just dip right in and just work with it, work it in my face. I actually really like this color. I don't know if it's because it's like mixed with the contour color, but this is such a pretty color. Mix that in with some BH Cosmetics Blush Duo, just to give it some shine a little. This is a cute little easy Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. You know I got you guys, because you know you don't want to be, well, you want to be extra, but you want to be cute and extra, you know what I mean? And like simple, I would want to be. But this is the Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Diamond Wet. This is so pretty. It's like kind of like loose glitter as well, to be honest. Where is my mirror? So I don't know, I'm gonna probably gonna use another highlighter besides this one. Maybe, I don't know, because this is kind of sparkly. This is like sparkly, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna mix it in. I'm mixing out here, you know, with my everyday makeup and my other makeup. Just gonna use my Mirror Luminizer from the Balm. This is so good. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty together. I'm just in love. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. So I'm done with my face, going back to lashes. I got these lashes like a while back, and these are, oh yeah, sorry about the noise in the background. That is my heater. I should have said that in the beginning, but yeah, this is Lily Lashes in Miami. Hopefully it focused, but those are how they look. I'm hoping it's focused in my face. So do I know how to put lashes? No, not really, but you know, I'm always learning. I think it's like this. It's like this, right? When you look at it. I think so. So I'm using one of these glues today, the Duo Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins, or like the regular one. But I usually use the black one, which is the best. I think, because it's black, and like when you put it on, like you can't really see the white glue when it doesn't really, before it dries, you know? I don't know what I'm saying right now. I think I'm gonna put on my lashes and then I'll be right back. So I got my lashes on. Hopefully they're on, because I am not that good at eyelashes either. Like, to be honest, as soon as this video ends, I'm taking them off. So lastly is like the main attraction, the main thing is lipstick, which is my MAC lipstick in Russian Red, and it just looks like this, and I'm gonna use this for my lips. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. My lashes don't look at it, but you know, it's fine, it's fine. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Comment down below if you are single or taken, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.